Hi, my name is Delesha Huggins, Extension Officer with responsibility for Small Ruminants. We are here today on the grounds for our annual open day, the Newtown Playfield, as we prepare for our big event. Our open day has been on hold for 2 years due to the pandemic, but we are back and we plan to give you an action-packed event. We'll be having our traditional animals, sheep, goat, pigs, and our not so traditional animals, ducks, rabbits. We will also be having an area with exotic birds. Something new that we are doing this year is our petting zoo, where children can interact safely with young animals. There will also be a picture area where you can take pictures if you wish. And another addition that we are hoping to have is a game section. We are aiming for a state fair style atmosphere in the livestock section. So I'm hoping to see lots of children, lots of people. It's been 2 years since we had our annual open day. So we are hoping to put on a very good show for you.